welcome back. So today I have another video for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this beautiful Valentine's DIY,
I'm going to be mixing up some of my jumbo glitter as well as my extra fine glitter, and I think I'm going to add in as well some of this pink glitter that I got from the Target dollar spot. I'm going to be using this bowl that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Guys, I'm going to be using these beads that I already had. So I can't really remember where I got these from, but it says on the tag that they are crackle beads and they were only $2.50. So I want to guess that they probably came from like Michael's or Joann's or something like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with this piece of MDF board that I got from one of the kids' Christmas presents. I actually have a few of these, and so it just came from like the packing materials. I'm just thinking of covering this up with some of this pretty duct paper right here that I have left over from another project. Okay, so now I'm just going to glue this base on to my candle holder. Now I'm going to be taking this love sign from Dollar Tree and just removing the feet off of it. So I don't want that black to show, so I'm going to go ahead and take mine off. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with these base fillers. I got this XOXO sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking this sign out to my garage to spray paint. Looks like I'm going to now go in with my jumbo glitter here and as well as my fine glitter. So now I'm going to take these jot stickers that are in this cute heart shape. Okay, I'm going to be using these picks again from the Dollar Tree. I have lined up my picks how I need them to lay, and so I'm just going to go ahead and glue them down. So now I'm going to be taking these little tea light holders from Dollar Tree. Enjoyed this little DIY. If you have, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.